Aadhaar link birth registration for children of 0 to 5 years. Ngasi ahanba oina Thoubal District Hospital da Health Services ki Director Dr. Jumbo Golmaina haudokre. Directorate of Health Services Manipur amasung CMO Thoubal anina sinduna Thoubal District Hospital ki conference call da pangthokpa thoramatu da Thoubal District ki CMO Dr. Wainokul, Family Welfare ki Director Dr. N Hemantakumar amade Vital Statistics Manipur ki Consultant Dr. Mina Seramna maru oiba mitunglen singoina saruk yakhe. Thoramatu ka mari leinana Dr. Jumbo Golmaina hai ngasidagi haudokliba ALBR asina hiram kayada kanaba piragani asigamba program ase laibak asida chatnaba haukrabashu Manipur gi oinadi Thoubal District Hospital da haudokliba asina ahanbane. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birengi pautak matung inda ngasigi program ase haudokpane pokpadagi chahi manga faubagi manungda leiba angangsingna ALBR da registration tawduna scholarship subsidy na jingba khudong chaba kaya lauba yagani haina su mahakna makatana fongdoki.
Early birth registration, that is 0 to 5 years we say, it's a system by which Aadhaar is given to children. So particularly 0 to 5 years by linking with the birth registration number attached from civil registration system. Another point is ALBR will provide benefits to the children to have a hassle-free Aadhaar enrollment, where only photograph of the child is taken along with the Aadhaar data of one parent or both parents.
Influx, so many problems are coming up. Ado masigi posna choba solution number piragani. I'm a hope my ama thamjage. Ado ga lona akoi adu to di phani ada to di phani hana khader mayam do. Now the responsibility lies with our index finger. Kamaina aina marupang singda policy santupi lo. Ado ai kudum megi responsibility ni madumag disaster view na chigo principally thamjage.